The safest investment on planet Earth pays around 4% right now. You can start with $100, and your bank is quietly hoping you never hear about it. Because it's not a stock, it's not a bank product, it's you, personally, lending money to the United States government and getting paid for the privilege. While your big bank savings account pays you $10 a year on $1,000, this pays about $40. Same safety, 400 times the money. In the next few minutes, I'll hand you the entire playbook, and you could own your first one by Friday. Hey, I'm Rod. I built this channel because when I was starting out, nobody made money simple, so let's change that. Roadmap. Here's the plan. First, what Treasury securities are and why Wall Street itself treats them as the safest thing a human being can own. Second, how a T-bill actually pays you, the real numbers, and a tax edge almost nobody talks about. And third, the 3 ways to buy one and exactly where this fits in your wealth building plan. Let's get into it. Section 1. The safest IOU on Earth. Every investment on the planet is measured against this one because this is the floor. When you buy a Treasury security, you're lending money to the US government. In return, the government promises to pay you back with interest. That promise is backed by what's called the full faith and credit of the United States, the same government that collects the taxes, the same government that prints the currency. That's why professionals call Treasuries the risk-free benchmark. Banks measure against them, pension funds measure against them, Wall Street prices everything off of them. If Treasuries ever stop paying, the entire global financial system would have far bigger problems than your account. But here's where most people get it wrong. They hear government bonds and picture some exclusive club for the wealthy. The actual minimum to buy in? $100. That's it. The exact same instrument where billion-dollar funds park their money is sitting there, open to anyone with $100. Now, the Treasury family has 3 members, and the only real difference is how long you lend the money. T-bills, 4 weeks to 1 year. Short, simple. The beginner's door. T-notes, 2 to 10 years, paying you interest every 6 months. T-bonds, the long haulers, 20 and 30 years of steady checks. Same guarantee across all 3. The longer you lend, the more they generally pay. Let's zoom out for a second. 3 instruments, but one simple idea underneath. You choose how long to lend. That's the whole decision. And today, you only need one of the 3. The T-bill, 2 minutes to understand, 1 click to own. And the way a T-bill pays you is genuinely clever. Your profit is locked in on day 1 before a single day has passed. Watch this. Section 2. How a T-bill actually pays you. A T-bill flips the entire idea of interest on its head. You get your discount up front and your payday at the end. Here's the mechanics. T-bills are sold at a discount. Say you buy a 1-year T-bill with a face value of $1,000. You don't pay $1,000. You pay roughly $960. 1 year later, the government hands you the full $1,000. That $40 gap? That's your interest, around 4%. And it was locked the moment you clicked buy. No watching charts, no price alerts, no hoping. You knew your exact payday, to the dollar, on day 1. Now here's where it gets uncomfortable for the banks. The average big bank savings account pays around 0.01%. On $1,000, that's $0.10 a year, a dime. The same $1,000 in a 1-year T-bill, about $40. Same level of safety, 400 times the result. The banks know this. They're just betting you don't. Okay, but what about high-yield savings accounts? Fair question. Good ones also pay around 4% right now, and I recommend them for your emergency fund because that money has to be reachable tomorrow. But T-bills carry 2 quiet edges. Edge 1, your rate is locked. A savings account rate can drop next month. A T-bill's payout can't. Edge 2, and this is the part almost nobody mentions, Treasury interest is exempt from state income tax. The interest your bank pays you, your state taxes it. The interest the federal government pays you, your state legally can't touch it. Depending on where you live, that's a quiet, automatic raise on your real return. So how do you actually buy one? There are 3 doors, and one of them is clearly the easiest. Let's walk through them. Section 3. How to buy your first one. Buying a T-bill takes about the same effort as ordering shoes online, once you know which door to use. Door 1. TreasuryDirect.gov, the government's own website. You buy at auction, straight from the source. No middleman, no fees. It works, but the site feels like it was built 20 years ago, and getting your money out early is clunky. Door 2. Your brokerage account. Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard. The same account you'd use for index funds. You can buy new T-bills at auction or existing ones from other investors, usually no fee, and everything lives in one place. For most beginners, this is the answer. One account, one login, and when you're ready to invest in other things later, you're already home. Door 3. A Treasury Money Market Fund, or ETF. One purchase, and the fund holds a basket of treasuries for you, rolling them over automatically. Slightly less control, maximum simplicity. Let me make this real. Meet Shane. Shane keeps his emergency fund in a high-yield savings account, reachable tomorrow, no questions asked. But the money he's stacking for a house down payment 3 years out, that sits in T-bills, locked rate, state tax-free, completely immune to a market crash. That's the play. Savings account for money you might need this month. T-bills for money you won't need for 6 months to a few years. And now the honest part, the part a lot of channels skip. Treasuries protect money, they don't grow wealth. Around 4% roughly keeps pace with the cost of living. It defends your dollars, it won't multiply them. Treasuries are the foundation of the house. They were never supposed to be the house. Real long-term growth comes from owning pieces of businesses, and that's a different video. One more honest note, because we don't do hype here, yields move. Short-term T-bills pay around 4% as I record this. By the time you watch, the exact number may drift, but the mechanics never change, and the government guarantee never changes. Foundation first, then you build. If you just realized your safe money could be earning 400 times more, consider subscribing. We make money simple around here, 3 times a week. And drop a comment. Where's your emergency fund parked right now? Big bank, high yield savings, or under the mattress? Be honest, no judgment. That answer is step 1. And once your foundation is set, the next question is how to actually grow wealth on top of it. That's index funds, the simplest way to own a piece of the 500 biggest companies in America. And that video's next. I'll see you there.